Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show you how to make meringue pops. First, you'll need 4 large egg whites, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's crucial that your mixing bowl and whisk are perfectly clean and free of any grease, as this can prevent your meringue from stiffening properly. Also, have your baking sheets ready with parchment paper and your lollipop sticks nearby. This preparation ensures a smooth process from start to finish. Now, let's get those egg whites whipped. Begin by beating your 4 large egg whites on medium speed. You're looking for soft peaks to form, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you see those soft peaks, start adding your 1 cup of granulated sugar very slowly, 1 tablespoon at a time, while the mixer is still running. Then, increase the speed to high and continue beating for about 7 minutes until the meringue is stiff and beautifully glossy. With your perfect meringue ready, it's time to pipe. Carefully transfer the glossy meringue into a piping bag. You can use any decorative tip you like for fun shapes. Pipe small, uniform swirls onto your parchment-lined baking sheets. Don't forget to gently insert a lollipop stick into the base of each meringue pop. Then, bake these delightful treats at a low temperature, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for approximately 1 hour. This slow bake ensures they dry out beautifully. Almost done. After baking for 1 hour, turn off your oven but leave the meringue pops inside. Let them cool completely in the oven for at least another hour. This crucial step prevents them from cracking and helps them achieve that wonderful crisp texture. Once fully cooled, you can get creative. Decorate your meringue pops with edible glitter, colorful sprinkles, or a drizzle of melted chocolate. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature, and they'll stay fresh for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.